Welcome back, guys. It is Trophy Hunters here, and today is shotgun hunting. Look at, there's Peyton over there. Say hi, Peyton.
Fuck you.
Love the greeting. Hope you enjoy all the shotgun videos and stay tuned for a bunch of blasts.
This is what happened.
There's no water in the creek any place, so
Yep.
you can cross over that any place.
Cross over that, and then you can hit that up, and you can follow this ridge kind of down, and then you'll hook up with Ryan.
Yeah, as long as you don't get trying to,
Yeah.
you know, the push into here.
Well, good.
Yep, two.
Don't. Just hold on. Don't shoot. I'm just looking. Look. No, I can't get him. Yep, I see him.
Yep. What is it? Can you tell?
Doe. Hold on. Shh, shh, shh. There's a whole shit ton coming this way, boys. Get fucking ready. Get down on a knee. Get down on a knee. I'm firing.
Okay. One down.
Coming right at us, boy. Big buck. Third one. Wait, get ready.
Get ready to fire, boys.
Second buck, boy.
Got him.
Hey, buck to left.
I got him. In yours. Hold fire. Hold fire. Hold fire. Hold fire. Get ready.
I'm not gonna hit it. So
Yep.
you.
Nope. Get him. Blake. Hey. I got one there and I got one here. Hey, get back. Get back.
That other one.
Where the hit him?
Right here.
Why's he got blood out of his ear?
Shot him right here.
Okay.
Blood out of both ears.
Yep.
He's got a headache.
He got a fucking headache.
We're getting to the edge here. There's one. There's one. He could have missed. It's Derek, so he probably did miss. Shouldn't have to shoot twice, Derek. Unless it was Peyton. All right, here we go. Yep. Dad, deer over there. It's one down. Bring another. up on my buck right now. Should be about here. And I gotta load him up. So let's get to it. Load him up. There he is. Little Bambi. Alright, here we go. Got Colby and my dad up there. 4 other guys on the other side. And got the pushers just started going through. Marlon and Rick are right here. So yeah, hopefully we don't get shot at here, but it should be good setup here. Guess time will tell. Now we just wait. Oh, there's a deer. Come on, Marlon. It's going right for Marlon. There, you got it. Nope, scared of it. Colby, get ready, Colby. It's sitting in there. Here it comes. Oh, it's a coyote. Get it, Rick. Or not. Someone shot over there. Hopefully Blake, and hopefully you got that on video. There's another one. Oh, a lot more. Oh, Colby, behind you. It's stopping. Think I can hit it? They all got the shots. Over.
Marlon shot over at a coyote.
I saw something. I couldn't tell what it was.
Why didn't Rick shoot?
I was walking. I stopped because I thought I heard.
I think that's what it was.
I should have shot then. He was stopped right there in front of me. I'm like, I was waiting for Rick to shoot.
Oh yeah, you should have shot. I mean, we got this whole hillside where we're all protected till they come over the hill, where they're protected.
And then that deer I could have easily shot, but
A bunch of deer come out, or
Nothing.
we had one behind us.
Behind us, but that came in from them guys.
Yeah, they all kicked
Jim
up.
Shot. Jim, I was going to put him at the corner post. He went to the opposite corner, down there where we start on the.
Yeah.
And 2 nice bucks came out. He shot one. I think it went down, didn't it?
Yeah, it was going down. It was like hunched down and running, and then another one.
Going that way.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Just that one shot he shot.
yeah, and but
We were
there's
still at the truck. We heard that. We were like, we should probably get going. We were gonna give you guys time to get set up.
we didn't even get set up. That was right when we got dropped off. We weren't even. Then I called Ray real quick and I was like, yeah, we're ready now. And then
You guys went to the wall?
I
heard
think that coyote
Something,
probably.
and then it was probably that coyote because I heard a shot afterwards. So.
I think that coyote screwed a lot of it up.
No. Yeah, I got our left shot.
Oh yeah.
Buckle
Oh yeah. Nice little tongue corner.
There you go.
No, it's alive still.
It's playing possum.
I know, I fucking got him in the head, but I must not have.
Got him.
What would you do without me? Good shooting.
Oh, you're saying you would take a big buck. There you go.
All right, here on her 4th push, redoing the first push, trying it up a little bit different, practicing for tomorrow morning. There we go. they got 3 down, and we were driving to go get one right now. I don't know where the other 2 is. That's kind of what they got to worry about. And yeah, load it up, take it back,